Okay, today I'm going to show you how to remove the intake manifold from a 2010 Mazda 3 with a 2.0. Plastic manifold that's in the front. Alright, now they're kind of a little tricky to get to, but you have 7 bolts. You have 7 on the top and 1 on the bottom. Okay? And basically, I'm going to just show you, there's 1 there, 2, 3. In this little hole, there's a hole in here. You go all the way through, that's 4. You got 5, 6, and 7 over there, and then 1 underneath. And once you take those 7 bolts out, you got 8 bolts. Then your manifold will come out, and of course you have to disconnect your vacuum lines. That's pretty self-explanatory, but some people may not know where these bolts are. They're like buried in this type of car. All right, so that's just a quick video on that. Now here's a better view. All right, this is the intake manifold. It goes that way to the motor, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the other one is on the bottom over here, 8. So now if you see on the intake, intake, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is all the way down there. Okay, then when you pull it out, you're gonna see this hose, breather hose. It goes right here. There's going to be, when you pull out the intake manifold, you're going to see you have enough room to take the clamp off and slide it off, and basically disconnect the solenoid vacuum hoses here and here. I did that. I left it all on there nice and neat. You see what I said? See what I did? All right, you have that there, so you know where they go. See, they can't mix them up. See, one's longer than the other, and that's basically it. To take off the intake manifold on a 2010 Mazda 3 with a 2.0. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe if it helps you out. You have any questions, give me a comment below. This is Motorcar 2020, Motorcar Nut 2020, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, man.